Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and you've got two things that are going on at the same time here. We had a break of the 2675 double bottom from late last week. We have traded as low as 25.25 in the overnight. Now, during the course of the night, we traded as high as 35.25, which is a tick underneath this week's weekly pivot at 35.5. So what we've had in the overnight is a retest, or a test, I should say, of the weekly pivot that so far has failed. Counterbalancing that is a very sloppy test and break of the 2675 level, but that then held and moved up as high as 8 handles off of that. So something has to give today, more basically. Either we're going to get over that weekly pivot at 35.5 and continue back toward the highs, or we're going to get under 2675 and we're going to stay there and go ahead and retest the floor right here, 20 to 21 floor. If that floor breaks, then that opens up a move to test the middle band, which at that point will be right around, I would say, right around even number 2000. And that'll be the real test as to whether this is just going to be a very short-lived pullback to the round number that then bounces and heads to new highs, or if we're going to do something a little bit deeper. I have to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt simply because they've done everything that's been asked of them. And I wouldn't be surprised if the 20 level held. You get a little 20 handle, 23 handle pullback to 2020, 2021, and they bounce it. The worst case scenario, obviously, for the bears would be to bounce it after the single, test that only went down to 25.25. That would show that the bears are still very weak and that the bulls are fully in control of the market. So, a couple things to look for this morning. Those are them. But right now, it's either the weekly pivot holds or the 26.75 floor holds. Whoever wins that range is going to win the day. All right, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. New week, great time to start. Would love to get everybody in. I'm going to post a recording of last week's webinar from Thursday with Bob Lang if anybody wants to check that out. Some great stuff in there. And I will catch everybody tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.